So to import the points, we first have to go to Microsoft Excel in order to open up the file that we have, which you'll find is your ASC file, which is located on the desktop or on the web page. You want to open that file. You'll need to go down to File Types and click All Files there, because it won't show up unless there's all files is showing. Click on yours. You'll do it with a fixed delimited, which is on the next page. A comma. We'll enter over, and then this is where you finish. Now you'll notice that this column has all zeros. We want to get rid of that one, and any other column that does not have numerical values we want to get rid of. So check those. This is your northing column, your easting column, and then your elevation column there. The column A is for your which number point you have. So once we have that, we'll just go ahead and save that. Save it as a text file. List down at the end there is text file. You can't quite see it, but click text file and just save it somewhere that you know where it is. I would prefer the suggested desktop. Just click through these in case. Once you have that all saved, go ahead and close out of that file. Close it here. And once you're done there, then you'll be back in Civil3D. At this point, you want to go to Surface. This is the first thing we need to do to import the points is go to Surfaces. You'll notice that there's two different tabs there. We want to be in the Prospector tab. Go to Surfaces, create a surface. This is where you'll have different types of surfaces. We want to create a tin surface. Just hit OK. At this point, you'll go down and click to the plus sign, which opens up the folders. Click on Surfaces 1, and then on Definition, and down to Point Files, and you'll add a point file. At the all the way at the bottom is PNZ EZD. That's the one we want. Search for your file. It'll be Lab 4 or whichever one is your specific file, and we'll nothing else. Just click OK there. Once you clicked OK, the points are now in there. So the points are now a part of that surface. So in order to see that, you go up to Zoom and just click Zoom All, and you'll see it as you can zoom around with the scroll wheel. You can see that this is the shape of the file that we have, the outline of it. But what we want to do actually is create on that surface some contours. So you're going to go up to the top, actually to Settings there, instead of the Prospector tab, and you're going to look at the surface file. And there's different things. We have the contours. You can look at 3D geometry or legend, or the contour intervals. This is where we want to adjust the minor interval to 0.5. Click OK. So now that we have changed that, we still need to go back in there to the surface files, and we'll actually edit that surface, or I'm sorry, in the standard surface file, and you actually have to show that it's displayed. So we go to the Display tab, click on the light bulb for the major and minor contour lines, and then from there we should just click OK, and there you go, those will show up. So at that point we have taken points, put them in, and then created a surface and added contour lines to it. So this should be the first step in just importing all your points into the file.